What's up guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make custom signal lights just using vinyl wrap. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so the stuff you're going to need is actually pretty simple. And the reason why we're doing this instead of making our own actual custom LED lights is maybe just because you don't want to have the time, you don't have the knowledge, you're not able to, you're not able to just do it yourself. Or you don't want to pay for the money to have someone else do it. So here's the purpose of what we're looking for. So here's the signal light right now. What I have is a long signal light that goes along like this, and I'm going to go ahead and turn the car on, or just turn the lights on and show you the pattern of what the light looks like right now. So here's what I'm talking about with them on. So that side's dead for some reason. I gotta work on that. But on this side, what we're going for is, you see how it's just a nice rectangle? What I want to do is I want to get a little vinyl wrap over section. Essentially, I'm giving eyelids to the blinkers just to give them a bit more aggressive look. So let me see if I can set you guys back and show you guys what I'm aiming for. So I turned the blinker off just so we had to get rid of that annoying clicking, but I'm going to show you guys what we're going to be doing. So we're going to be using knifeless tape and scissors to cut the tape. But there we go, it has a hard time focusing on darker things. But what's happening is we're going to use knifeless tape to tape off a certain section of what we want the lights to look like, or this part that we want to see, and then we're going to go ahead and take it off from there. The reason, there's a couple options you could do. You could just cut it out beforehand and tape it on, which is doable, but it's a lot harder than you think to actually get it to set just right. And then another option you could do, I don't even know what another option you can do was, or yeah, another option you could use a knife, but then you really risk scratching this plastic, and plastic scratches fairly easily, so I'd like to not do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the knifeless tape. So I'll set you guys down. Now, actually, I'm gonna take that back. So I'm not gonna set you guys down. Reason being is because the blinker is going to get super annoying, and I'm going to need it on in order to see where I need to tape off. So what we're going to do is I'm going to turn the blinker back on, set you guys down, and I'm going to knifeless tape off the parts I'm going to be cutting out, and then I'll catch up with you guys once that's done and explain what happens next. So here's what I taped off, trying to get a little more aggressive look. I'm actually got to do a couple more. I totally forgot about some inside ones, but gonna get that look that hopefully is just a bit more aggressive and just fits the car a little bit better. So let's go ahead and go inside, and I'll put you guys on time lapse, and we'll vinyl wrap that, and we'll catch you back up and test how it sees. By the way, I just realized it said test how it sees, and I have no idea what that even means. So yeah, it'll be great though. Alright, here they are all finished up. So it's just eyelids, which means you get a look you want for super low cost. It's probably like 10 bucks worth for the vinyl, if even that, do both sides. So I'm zoomed in. But anyway, that's what it looks like. It's not too bad. I mean, nothing perfect. I wish I had the front bumper on so you guys can see it fully, but you know what. Getting ready to pull my engine and put in a new one, so kind of just getting prepped for that. And it's up in my room. Anyway, waiting for canards to go on. Anyway, there's a bunch of stuff going on, but don't even worry about it, because we good, fam. But yeah, that's what it looks like. It is nothing special at all, but it gives you kind of a bit more of an aggressive look. I'm going to run it for a while, and then again, if you don't want it, put it right back off and back to normal. So yeah, I hope you guys like that. Hope it's enjoyable. It's probably a really short one, but you know, it's something. So hope that helped out for a bit if you guys want to do it. If you guys want any more updates on my car and what's going on with it, consider subscribing to the channel. I post updates every few days, probably about 3 times a week is usually what I go for. Let me turn off the blinker really quickly. And I've gotten something really big that's coming up for you guys. Not for you guys in particular actually, but my new engine is coming in 2 days, and I'm super excited about that. So hopefully this weekend the goal is to get the old engine out and maybe even get the new engine in. Not running, but if I can get it in the car, then everything else I can do from there. So that's super exciting, guys. I really hope that you guys will be able to come follow along for that. Check the Instagram for more up-to-date updates that you're going to get. I usually post on there a few days before I post anything on YouTube. So that's the plan from there. Guys, don't forget to do the usual. Dislike, unsubscribe, leave your hate in the comments, guys. Bye!